In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Danske Bank account. Whether you're managing your personal finances or simply checking your balance, logging in securely is a crucial first step. Let's walk through the process together to ensure a smooth and secure login experience. To begin, you need to navigate to the Danske Bank website specific to your country. For instance, if you're in Denmark, you would go to danskebank.dk. It's important to make sure you're on the correct version of the website, as this ensures you're accessing the services tailored to your region. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. This should be prominently displayed, usually on the top right corner of the site. Clicking this will present you with several options, and you should select e-banking or personal e-banking depending on your specific needs. This directs you to the login page where you can access your account. Now, on to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your user ID or customer ID alongside your password. It's essential to make sure your credentials are kept secure and that you enter them precisely to avoid any login issues. The next step involves verifying your identity. In today's digital age, security is a priority, and Danske Bank employs several methods to ensure your account is protected. Typically, you may use MiTID for this step. However, depending on your country, options may vary and can include Danske ID, a code display, or even an audio code reader. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification successfully. A quick tip, always confirm that the URL in your browser starts with HTTPS/ as the S stands for secure, ensuring that your connection is encrypted and your data is protected. It's these little details that help maintain the security of your banking activities. Once you've completed these steps, you should have access to your personal account page. From here, you can manage your finances, check your balances, and carry out various banking tasks effortlessly. Remember, if you ever encounter issues during the login process or have forgotten your credentials, Danske Bank's support team is available to help. You can usually find contact information or help links at the bottom of the website. It's always better to reach out to support rather than attempting to guess your password, as too many failed attempts could temporarily lock you out of your account for security reasons. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to logging in to your Danske Bank account. By following these steps carefully, you'll ensure your experience is both seamless and secure. Thank you for watching, and happy banking. B.